Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your work address on the Postmates app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your work address so you have separate from your home. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Postmates. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Then click on Add Work. And then this is where you can enter your work address so that you can save it to the Postmates app. This is also going to make it easy for you to deliver to your work address so that you don't have to manually keep typing it in every time. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your work address on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.